What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Skeppy from the DreamSMP. Now we're going to be drawing this character from a 3/4 angle. So let's start at the very top right in the middle. Start with a straight line coming all the way down from the top to the bottom of the head. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the right. Now I want to take that same length line along the bottom. So starting down here, angle up and out. I'm just going to line this up with the line along the top. And we'll connect the top and bottom with a straight line. Now that we have the front of the face, let's draw on the side. Starting from that top corner, we're going to angle up and out towards the left. And then again, we'll take that same length line along the bottom, going up and out. Let's connect the top and bottom with a straight line. Now we're going to close off the top of the head to create a cube. Starting from the top left, we're going to draw that same angled line, going up and out towards the right. And then we'll close off the top with a straight angled line. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the left arm. We're going to start halfway along this line. We're going to pull the arm forward, coming down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. Draw a straight angle line coming down and out. Draw that same line along the bottom. Let's close off the side of the arm. Starting from the top, again just drawing that same angle line coming down. Now we're going to create some perspective with this arm. Starting from that top corner, angle down and out. Draw that same line along the bottom. And also along the inside. Now we're just going to connect the ends with a straight line. Now with our head and arm in place, we're going to tuck the body in behind. From the bottom corner of the head, let's step in, draw a straight line coming down in behind the arm. From that front corner, step out towards the left, draw another straight line. Let's go over towards the bottom right corner of the head, step in, draw another line coming down towards the waist to right about there. And then we'll draw that same angle coming down and out in behind the arm. Now we're going to place the legs in underneath the body. Let's start halfway along the bottom edge of the body, starting right here, angle the leg coming down and out towards the bottom. Go to the right hip, draw that same length line. Let's close off the bottom with a straight angled line. Now we're going to move over and draw on the left leg. Starting back at the top, draw a straight line coming down towards the knee. And angle the knee coming down and out towards the side. And we'll pull that straight up underneath the arm. Let's bend the bottom of the leg going out towards the left. Starting from the bottom corner, angle down and out. Draw that same length line along the inside of the leg. Close off the bottom with a straight angled line. Let's draw on the side of the left leg. Starting from the bottom corner, angle up and back. We're going to follow these two lines going back up underneath the arm. Let's go back over towards the right side and draw the inside of the leg. Starting from the bottom corner, draw a straight line coming across, and we'll follow that line going back up and in behind the left leg. Now we're going to go back up and draw the right arm angled back. Underneath the head, we're going to step down, angle up and out, angle this up and in behind the head. And we'll go back to the outside, angle this down and in, sort of aiming towards the hip. Angle is down and in. Now I'm going to go back up to the head and trace each of these three sides along the inside. Starting on the top left, step down. Just leave an even space gap all the way around toward the bottom. Across the top. Down the right side. And then across the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the left. And we'll do the same thing along the top. Now we're going to repeat these steps across the entire body, starting with the arm. And then we'll go over towards the right side, go up from the body. Now we're going to do the same thing across the legs. Now that we traced out the body, let's go back up to the head and draw in the eyes. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight angle line coming up and in, and then line this up on the right. Now we step up and draw another line to create a small cube on either side, and we'll fill the eyes in black. Let's move to the center and draw on the top edge of the mouth, starting on the left, angle this up and out. Then on the right side, come straight down towards the bottom. Let's go back over towards the left, draw a short line coming down, go in, and then pull that back down. Now we're going to add the tongue on the right side. So we're going to step over, draw a short line going up, angle this out towards right. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. And now we're going to add some highlights around the corners of the body. Let's start from the top left side of the head, step down, go up and in, go straight up, go across, then up towards the top. Let's add another one on the left side. Coming down, go up, and down, and then back up. Let's add one along the bottom. Going up and out, come down, out, and then back down. Let's add two along the top of the head in the front and back. Coming across, just following the same angles of the head. And then we'll add one along the back. Then we'll add a highlight along the top left and bottom right. Let's go over towards the left arm. Coming in, down, and back in. Add one along the bottom. And we'll do the same on the side of the arm. Coming down with a short line, and go in the opposite direction along the bottom. Let's go over towards the right arm, step down, come in, down, and then in, and then along the bottom we'll just draw one line. Now I'm going to do the same thing across the legs. Let's start from the bottom, going up towards the inside, across the bottom. Let's add one on the outside. I'm going to go over towards the right leg. And then adding one more along the top of the left leg, going up and out. Pull it straight up underneath the arm. And that's pretty much it. There's Skeppy from the DreamSMP. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.